Oh no, I'm dead now. What should I do?
Sky turns, black shadows grow cold. Thunder roars, wild spirits unfold.
SkyReels has awesome AI tools. Let's start with the image generator. You can create images from text or another image. Just type your prompt. SkyReels combines multiple AI models that work together to understand and generate content naturally, just like humans. So, no need to stress about the prompt. Simply describe your scene in natural language, and the AI will turn it into visuals. Choose your aspect ratio, art style, and generation type, then hit Generate. As you can see, each time it generates 4 images, and the visuals perfectly match my prompt. Very impressive. Another fantastic feature is the video generator. The interface is so simple it doesn't need much explanation. You can animate an image reference or generate a video from text, both work great. From my tests, it works best with natural, short prompts. Complex prompts can get messy, but overall, it works well in my opinion. Okay, here's the result. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Yep, the music generator. I really like how everything is in one platform. It's super easy to use. You can create music tracks inspired by reference music, or simply type the type of music you want. You can also turn off the instrumental if you prefer vocals.
Sky turns, black shadows grow cold. Thunder roars, wild spirits unfold.
Next up, the long video creation feature. It's all about automation. You can type out your idea or describe what's on your mind, or use example ideas to get started. There are different filters to help you find the one that fits your vision. You can upload a pre-created script or dialogue, or even upload a PDF of your novel and turn it into a script. Then, SkyReels generates the script for you. You can edit it, regenerate it, or simply move forward like I did. Based on the script, SkyReels automatically creates characters for you. You can edit them, create them from scratch, or upload your own characters. Now, just go ahead, and you'll see each scene with your characters generated. For now, I'll leave the settings as is to see what happens without any manual tweaks. Of course, you can always adjust the settings or regenerate the scenes as you like. The final step is reviewing and generating. Oh no, it's a bit expensive, but no worries, let's do it.
This artifact changes everything.
You want to destroy everything we've built?
Set us free from their human rules. Join me, Eve.
I need time.
Time is the one thing we don't have.
Now for the lip sync feature. First, upload your image or video, then simply type the text for the lip sync and choose a voice from the variety available. I wrote an emotional text to test if it captures the emotion automatically.
Wait, are you serious? No way. Okay, let's do this.
Pretty cool. Next, I uploaded an audio file. It's over 2 minutes long, but let's see how it handles the lip sync.
Sky turns, black shadows grow cold. Thunder roars, wild spirits unfold. Electric phase, lightning in the air. Raging storm, rips without care. Winds howl fierce, calling the lost. Trees bend bones.
What do you think? As you know from my previous video, I've added a section called Pick a Side to weigh the pros and cons of each AI tool. It's all about your personal choice. I usually gather opinions from forums across the web, but for SkyReels, there's no feedback yet. It's that new. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share your experience to help others. Love you all. Bye.